Most people know if you get injured on the job, you file a workers' comp claim. But what happens if you sustain an injury over time? Let's say a bad back. I'm joined with Alex Eichhorn, who's an attorney at Tabak Law. Alex, what should someone do in this case? I know that you do something called a risk-free work injury consult. What is that?
Yeah, that's exactly right. So we really appreciate the opportunity to speak with injured workers immediately after an injury occurs. Give us a call. A lot of times you may not be sure what exact benefits you're entitled to. And when you give us a call, you're going to speak with myself or an experienced paralegal or another associate attorney. And we're going to be able to tell you in just a few minutes exactly what you should be receiving as far as lost wages, medical payments, payments for transportation. And if you're not receiving that, we'll be able to step in and help you get those benefits.
Now, how do they file the claim?
Yeah, so that's the most important component of any claim is first getting it filed. So you definitely want to go to your direct supervisor right away, let them know of the injury, and ask that a work comp claim be filed. Now, if there's any difficulty or your supervisor doesn't want to file the claim, again, give us a call. We can give you the contact information for that company's workers' compensation company directly so that you can circumvent your boss and you don't have to deal with them and you can get then the benefits you're entitled to.
How do you address someone who has sustained an injury over time?
Yeah, so as you had mentioned earlier, back injuries are oftentimes something that do happen over time. They're not just like you bend over and it's acute injury lifting something heavy, but rather you've worked at a job for 10, 20, or 30 years, and over time you're having a lot more back pain than you would suspect or someone your age would generally have. The answer is you go to your doctor, and if indeed your doctor does agree that your back pain was accelerated by your work activity for a number of years, then you very likely have a compensable claim that we would love to speak with you about.
Absolutely. Get the help you deserve by visiting tabakattorneys.com.